If you want to learn how to get the perfect winged eyeliner, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. My first tip, if you're just learning, do your eyes before your face. That way if you mess up, you can clean up the wing, sharpen anything. I obviously have a full face of makeup on right now, but I've been doing winged eyeliner for a long time. Once you get it down, it really is like riding a bike. I'm going to go in with this Eyeliner. This is from O. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a mirror and I'm going to look straight ahead. This method will help if you have hooded eyes because you're going to see exactly where the wing is going to go when you look straight. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start on this outer corner right here. Looking straight ahead, I'm just gonna start flicking the wing out. Just take it out however far I want. Usually I like it that long. You can see how I'm holding the pen. I'm gonna take the end right here, just drag it across the middle, connect it to the middle. I usually stop the eyeliner right there. Now that that's mapped out, I'm just gonna fill in the center and just kind of finesse it and make it perfect. You can see I kind of just messed up a little bit. It's not too bad, but it's not perfect and I want to sharpen it. In that case, what I do is I just take a makeup wipe. I'm looking into the mirror. I'm just gonna use my fingernail and just carve that out. So we're gonna perfect that wing. Just kind of blend that out with my finger. Do you see how much better that is? Even if you do have makeup on, it's really not hard. It doesn't take a lot of your makeup off. I'm gonna go back in with the sponge that I used on my concealer and I'm just gonna buff the bottom, blending that product that I took off back. Okay guys, here is the final look. Let me know what you think and if you try out these techniques.